But there is no people who came to intervene after Longwe Thwala had ran out of the house.
Abekho abantu bayafika bangenelela ngemva kokuthi uLongwe aphumile abaleka lapha.
Abekho abuyana.
No.
And when you came out from the bedroom, where was Longwe Thwala by then?
Ngesikhathi uphuma lapha ekamereni bekakuphi yena uLongwe Thwala ngesikhathi leso?
Angimbonanga.
I did not see him.
Okay, until when?
Kufikela nini?
When you were carrying out the deceased, was he there?
Ngesikhathi nikhipha umufi nimgugile bekakhona lapha?
Angimbonanga bese kugcwele abanye abantu noma khona bafana babesiza la. I think abakamakhelwane o.
No, I did not see him because there were other boys. I think neighbors' boys who were assisting us there.
Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you about few facts. I am not saying that they are coming from you. They are facts that are contained in Exhibit C, which is a document that is before this court. Do you understand that, Mr. Madlala?
Ngizokubuza ngamanye amaphuzu angithi aqhamuka kuwo kodwa ke lawo maphuzu aqhamuka kule nto kuthiwa i-exhibit number C noma ikhomba ubufakazi ekhona la enkantolo yangizwisisa. Akuthiwa la maphuzu aqhamuka emlomeni wakho kodwa ala ku-exhibit number C ne?
Ngiyakuzwa lokho. Angazi noma mhlawumbe angizwanga kahle izolo ukuthi masigcina la. Masibuya sobuya siqale ngani. Mhlawumbe sekhohliwe naye.
I do understand that, but however, yesterday when we stopped the proceedings, I mean, we said we're stopping yesterday, and then when we resume today, there's a certain point where we are going to start from. Maybe you've forgotten about that.
No, I haven't forgotten about that. We're still coming there. You're still going to get that opportunity, but just allow me to ask, to lead the questions.
Asikakhohlwa ngalokho sisazofika lapho ngivumele ukuthi ngikubuze imibuzo nisho. No problem, you can proceed.
Okay. My lord, can you just refer the witness to Exhibit C, which is before this court? It was admitted as an exhibit. Mr. Madlala, I know you won't understand the language, maybe it will be foreign to you, but I'll try to explain. You understand?
Okay. Ngiyazi ukuthi ulimi ngeke uluzwisise luzobonakala ngathi ulimi olukhulu kodwa ngizazama ukuthi ke ngichazele.
When the case has been committed and the case has been reported, it is investigated by the South African Police Service. Do you understand that?
Uma icala lenzekile and then icala liyaphenywa uma seliripotiwe liphenywe ngilaba bombutho wamaphoyisa wala ekhaya uyazwisisa?
Yes, ngiyazwakala.
Yes, I do understand.
After the SAPS have done that, or whilst they are doing that, they take the docket to the department that is known as the Department of National Prosecuting Authority.
And mabaqedile ngoba basaphenya bathatha le dokote balise lapha ke ku National Prosecuting Authority.
You understand this?
I understand.
I do understand.
And that office is the office that is vested with powers in terms of the Constitution to decide on who to be arrested and who not to be arrested based on the information that has been submitted by the police. Do you understand that?
And lelo phiko lo ngilo linikeza amandla kuya ngomgwaqo so ukuthi lithathe isinqumo ukuthi ke ngubani oboshwayo ngubani ongaboshwa kuya ngolwazi noma ingquka abazithola emaphoyiseni yazwisisa ba?
Yebo ngiyazwakala.
Yes, I do understand.
And those people who are working there, they are usually referred to as prosecutors and state advocates.
Labantu abasebenza lapho ke babizwa ukuthi ngabachutshisi noma ama-advocates lawa wombuso uyangizwisisa ba?
Yes, ngiyazwakala.
Yes, it's understood.
And those people, they are the only one who read evidence, analyze, and decide as to who should be charged in that case. Do you understand?
Yibo labantu laba abafunda lobufakazi baphinde babhlolisise futhi ke bathatha isinqumo sokuthi ngubani kumele aboshwe uyangizwisisa baba?
Yes, ngiyazwakala.
Yes, I do understand.
So in this case, the Director of Public Prosecutions received a docket. Do you understand?
manje ke la ulomqondisi walaba abachuchisi uye wathola idokelo yazisa lokho. Yes.
And from that information, there is a decision which is still pending. It has not been finalized.
Kuqhamuka lapho ke sikhona isinqumo kodwa esisalingisiwe asikafinaliziwe uyangizwisisa.
Yebo ngiyezwa.
I do follow.
And the decision that is still pending is that you must be charged.
And isinqumo esisalingisiwe ungaphiki.
We object here. How can a decision that is still pending say that someone must be charged? We object to that question.
I'm getting confused. Are you not usurping the role of the NDPP?
Sorry, my lord?
Are you not usurping the role of the NDPP? Are you saying that the NDPP has decided or are you
Has
saying
not.
has not, but
Has not yet.
but you are telling him that the NDPP
Has decided.
must decide that you be charged.
No, my lord, my apologies if I said that, my lord. I meant to say there is a pending decision
Yes.
about you to be arrested, but it has not been taken. It has not yet been finalized
Yes.
for you to be arrested, Mr. Master.
As a practice, my lord.
So is he able to answer
reiterate
it?
our objection.
Or maybe, my lord, can I just rephrase it? Not for you to be arrested. A decision whether you should be arrested or not has not been taken. Is that fair, my lord?
My lord,
No.
once again, a decision is pending. Can my learned friend perhaps just leave it at that? And we suggest that it means precisely that the decision will be taken at the end of the trial as to who.
That decision will
what
be
will
made by
happen.
the NDPP, not so.
Yes. So we cannot speculate at this stage, my lord.
My lord, can I also refer to the response from the NDPP dated, I think it's dated the 22nd of August, if it's not 26, my lord, but it's going to be shown, my lord. I just want to go to one paragraph of that letter. I think it was exhibit AAA1. Let me see. AAA1. My lord, it's AA in brackets 1. It was submitted to court.
Yes.
Can you just go into paragraph 2? Let's show paragraph 2 of that letter. Yes, it's the correct letter, just the second line. Yes. It says, this office, meaning now, the Director of Public Prosecutions here in Pretoria, is therefore mandated to make a decision in respect of Foslorus case 375/1/2019.
Asibuke la mfoko amadlala iyavela la isithombe leyibona. I've seen it.
Yeah. Has it been interpreted?
Ichaza ukuthi ke the office law lokushusisa lenisebenizwe ngilithatha isinqumo malana nelecala laseFoslorus case number 375/1/2019.
Yeah, mhlambe la izolo ngingasho ukuthi
Just wait, let me read the whole letter
okay.
before you comment. Okay. The third line says, In light of the fact that the decision in Foslorus case 3751/2019 depends on the credibility findings by the trial court in the current trial involving Foslorus case 636/10/2014, I have therefore decided that the decision in Foslorus case 375/1/2019 will be made at the conclusion of the current trial.
Mayiqhubeka le ncwadi ngofishazana Nkosi yami ithi njengoba leli cala leyo onikeza ufakazi kilo la liphambi kwale nkundla le yamacala le ngamanye amagama isinqumo ngokuthwesa noma ungathwesi kwale cala leli umuntu ukuthi aboshwe noma ungaboshwa isinqumo sakho sizothathwa uma kuqedwa ukukhulunywa leli cala liphambi kwale nkantolo. Ngiyamzwisisa. No problem.
And it says the decision in this matter will depend on the credibility findings of this trial.
Ngamanye amagama ke isinqumo sokuthi ukhona ozathwesa icala noma ngeke athwesa icala ke kuzoya ke ngalesinqumo esizothathwa la ngokuthembeka komfakazi obukhishiwe credibility kule cala lekhulunywa ngalo manje. Understood?
And that includes the manner in which you, Mr. Madlala, testifies in this court.
Lokho kufaka phakathi ngendlela nawo unika ngakhona ufakazi la enkantolo. I do follow. There's no problem also in that.
And therefore, in other words, as you are testifying here, whilst there is a hanging decision, you will want by all ways to protect yourself from this hanging decision. Is that not so?
We object to that question. It's an unfair question. The issues that my learned friend has referred to has got nothing to do with this witness. He's here to tell his story. As to the credibility findings, that is what will be determined by this court at the end of the case. We suspect that we request that that question be overruled.
Are you not addressing him as if he's testifying under 304?
Under 375?
304. Section 304.
No, my lord.
Where somebody testifies and is told that if he tells the truth, that will be the end of the matter. If he doesn't, he may be charged.
He'll be charged 204, my lord.
Yeah, 204, sorry.
Yes. No, my lord, I know he's not 204, but I just wanted the witness to comment because this is an exhibit that is before this court, and his name is included in this document, my lord. I was raising this in line of those bases to say the reason maybe why he's testifying is like this, it's because of the hanging decision, my lord.
Mr. Madlala, are you testifying with an intent that your testimony should result in you not being charged?
Unikeza ufakazi ubheke ukuthi ke ufakazi bakho uzawugcina ngesinqumo sokuthi wena ke ungathwesa icala.
Ufakazi ngimnikeza la akusikho lokho. If uTumelo wrong naye uzoya ejele. Angekho umuntu engimprotecta at all.
The testimony that I'm giving here is not about that. If it's Tumelo that is wrong, he has to go to prison. So there's no one that I'm protecting.
Please.
Thank you, my lord. I will move on, my lord. And in the, sorry, Applicant Sivande, can you just go back a little bit to Exhibit C, page 9 of Exhibit C, my lord. Page 9 of Exhibit C, that's summary of substantial facts. Thank you.
The state objects to any reference to Exhibit C. We have Exhibit C in brackets 1 and Exhibit C in brackets 2, where the Director of Public Prosecutions in Johannesburg disavows Exhibit C saying these were just the musings of a junior advocate, how can, in light thereof, my lord, questions then be asked in respect of Exhibit C? We object, my lord, to any questions that are based on Exhibit C in light of what the DPP Johannesburg has stated in Exhibit C1 and C2.
Your Lordship, we have a serious, if I might be allowed, Your Lordship.
I can't hear you.
Honorable Justice, we have a serious problem which affects the constitutional rights of the accused with regard to those letters from the DPP. Hence, our instructions are that either after this witness or before the witness finish, we make a proper application for review of these proceedings. Because these letters on their own exhibits, it affects the way the witnesses will testify. Basically, these letters are saying we put a they're putting the witnesses in the corner to say it's up to you whether you implicate yourself or not. If you don't implicate yourself, you walk free. And if you implicate yourself and this accused walk free on this matter, then you will be charged. Basically, what they are saying, the state is grasping the straws, Your Lordship. Hence, our instructions. I didn't want to delay these proceedings from yesterday. Our instructions are to make an application for a review. I here give notice to that effect that once this witness is finished testifying, or the court decide that this witness must stop testifying, this matter be stood down, then we make a proper application in another court for review of these proceedings, because there are a clear constitutional violation of the witness in the box who cannot testify freely because there's a chop hanging on all these witnesses, for that matter, Your Lordship, based on all these letters from the state. And these people who wrote these letters from the state doesn't say they're going to call them as witnesses. But now we have exhibits of that nature. They are coming before the court, before the Honorable Court, using the Honorable Court to fulfill their own goals. At the expense.
My problem, Mr. Thwala, and it has been the problem. All the time when the legal representative of accused number 5 is conducting cross-examination, the legal representative of accused number 1 to 4 intervenes. Because it is not your opportunity now. It isn't.
If I do that, Lordship, I apologize, but I just want to highlight our instructions.
But there's still time, plenty time for you to do that. Because I mean, she's cross-examining. You know what cross-examining is?
Yes, Your Lordship.
She's cross-examining on a line. Now you are rising. She may lose track of her own line, and this has been happening from the beginning of this trial, and it is not right.
I apologize for that. I'm trying, Your Lordship, to show the impact of this letter. With due respect, the senior counsel dealt with the letter. Hence, I now rise up to raise our concerns. If I interrupted, I apologize for that, but I hereby need to give a notice. I will allow senior counsel to proceed. However, it must be noted that we intend to do that. That's a court, please. I apologize for it.
But your criminal procedure lessons should have told you when to rise. She is on the podium, cross-examining. What you are saying, there's nothing wrong with what you are saying. There's everything wrong with the timing at which you are saying it.
I apologize if I will repeat myself, Your Lordship.
Yeah, you apologize and do it.
No, the reason why I'm doing the reason I'm doing it, Your Lordship, is that the main reason why I rose up.
No, it's not your time. It is not your time. Allow her to use her time. When you are cross-examining, she never rose.
No, I don't have a problem with that. The reason is why I raise it, Your Lordship, because
no,
she
don't raise it now. It's not your time. it is not your time. It is the opportunity for Advocate Mshololo to cross-examine. May you please allow her to do that.
As a court, please, I'll do that.